Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the dish, official Ethernet adapter, power supply, and a certified Ethernet cable. Inspect connectors and LED indicators so you know normal versus error states. This avoids guessing later. Once done, position the dish with a clear sky view. Make sure the adapter and power supply are close enough to connect without stretching cables. This first step saves installation back and forth and prevents signal loss caused by poor placement or wrong components. You now run the Ethernet cable from the adapter WAN port to your router or computer depending on your setup, because this defines who provides DHCP and routing. Next, connect the power supply to the adapter and then plug the dish cable into the adapter's designated port. Turn power on in that order to ensure proper PoE negotiation. Monitor the LEDs. A steady power light and a network link flicker indicate physical connection, while the dish status green confirms a success. You finish by logging into your router or the connected device to confirm the Ethernet interface has a valid IP, gateway, and DNS. This verifies the adapter handled traffic correctly. If you encounter no connectivity, make sure to swap the Ethernet cable, try a different router port, and reboot the adapter and dish. These quick steps resolve common link issues. If problems persist, check adapter firmware and slightly reposition the dish. Often a firmware update or better line of sight restores full throughput.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.